What is distinctive about the laboratory-scale manufacture of particle board in preparation for industrial production? When making a particle board, various settings and parameters need to be taken into account. Prior to producing such board on an industrial scale, the recipe can be tested with individual settings at IHD's technical laboratory. Regardless of the wood species, the input material is chipped in the first step, followed by drying and sorting. The chips are sorted according to size at the same time. The dimensions of the chips have a substantial effect on the properties on the later board, especially on its strength. In a blender, the chips are mixed with bonding agents and additives. As a rule, such recipes are confidential. After their removal from the blender, the chips are spread by machine or manually. Spreading by machine provides a greater time advantage, which is particularly decisive when applying reactive adhesives. In contrast to that, manual spreading is more time-consuming, but much more flexible regarding variable formats or chip geometries. Spreading is followed by pre-pressing that removes the air from the chip mat. This enables the mat to thoroughly heat up faster in the subsequent hot pressing process. In addition, pre-pressing provides the chip mat sufficient stability for further processing, not having to use a spreading frame. In the final hot pressing process, the pre-pressed chip mat is pressed into a finished particle board at about 200 degrees Celsius. The properties of the particle boards produced in the IHD's technical laboratory correspond to those of boards from industrial scale production. After the cooling and conditioning phase, further processing by sanding, coating, etc. can take place.